What if I told you this glass of water will not magically melt your belly fat, but if you use it the right way, it can make fat loss much easier? Most people think losing fat is only about eating less and training harder. But here's the truth. Many people are fighting hunger, cravings, low energy, poor workouts, and extra liquid calories when one of the simplest tools is already in their kitchen. Today I am going to show you exactly how water can help you lose fat, what science actually says, what is fake advice, and the simple water routine I would use if I wanted to start dropping fat this week. And if you want real fitness knowledge without fake promises, make sure you subscribe, because this channel is here to help you build a body that actually lasts. Let us be clear from the beginning. Water does not burn fat by magic. You cannot drink water, eat anything you want, avoid movement, sleep for hours a night, and expect your body to transform. Our fat loss still comes down to creating a calorie deficit, which means your body uses more energy than you consume. But water can help you create that deficit in a way that feels easier. That is the important part. When people fail at fat loss, it is usually not because they do not know they need to eat better. It is because they get hungry, they drink too many calories, they feel tired during workouts, or they confuse thirst with cravings. Water can help with all of those problems. So in this video, I am giving you the real strategy, not hype, not a miracle trick, a simple, practical hydration plan that can support appetite control, better workouts, better digestion, and better consistency. The first way water can help with fat loss is by helping you control appetite. Your stomach has stretch receptors. When your stomach expands, signals are sent to your brain that tell you, I am getting full. That is one reason why drinking water before a meal may help some people eat less. Now, this does not mean water replaces food. Your body still needs protein, fiber, healthy fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. But if you drink water before meals, especially when you are very hungry, you may find that you eat more calmly and stop before you overeat. Some studies have found that people who drink water before meals may eat less or lose a little more weight, especially when they are also following a lower calorie diet. But the key word is support. Water supports fat loss. It does not replace discipline. Here is the simple rule. Drink about 2 cups of water, or around 500 milliliters, 20 to 30 minutes before your biggest meals. Do not force it if it makes you uncomfortable. But for many people, this small habit can reduce mindless overeating. And remember this, sometimes what feels like hunger is not true hunger. Sometimes you are tired, stressed, bored, or slightly dehydrated. Before you snack, drink a glass of water and wait 10 minutes. If you are still hungry, eat a real meal or a high-protein snack. That is not restriction. That is awareness. The second way water helps fat loss is probably the most powerful. Water replaces liquid calories. Many people say, I barely eat anything, but I am still gaining weight. Then when you look closer, they are drinking calories all day. Soda, juice, sweet coffee, energy drinks, alcohol, sweet tea, flavored creamers, and smoothies that are basically desserts in a cup. Liquid calories are dangerous for fat loss because they do not fill you up the same way solid food does. You can drink 300 calories in 2 minutes and still feel hungry. But if you replace that drink with water, now you have removed calories without removing much fullness. Let us make it real. If you drink 1 to 150 calorie soda every day and replace it with water, that is 750 calories saved per week. Over a month, that is about 7,000 calories. That alone can make a big difference over time. This is why I tell people, do not start by trying to be perfect. Start by finding the easiest calories to remove. For many people, the easiest calories are in the glass, not on the plate. If plain water is boring, add lemon, cucumber, mint, ice, or 0-calorie flavoring. Sparkling water is fine too, as long as it does not have added sugar. The goal is not to suffer. The goal is to make the better choice easier to repeat. The third way water helps you lose fat is by helping you train better. Your muscles need fluid to perform. Your blood volume, body temperature, sweat response, joint comfort, and energy all depend on hydration. When you are dehydrated, workouts can feel harder than they should. You may feel tired faster, cramp more easily, lose focus, and reduce your training intensity. And when your workouts suffer, your fat loss results can suffer too. Not because exercise is the only way to lose fat, but because better training helps you build muscle, burn more calories, improve insulin sensitivity, and stay motivated. Think about this. If dehydration makes you cut your workout short by 15 minutes, skip cardio, or lift lighter weights, that can affect your progress over weeks and months. So here is the workout hydration rule. Drink water throughout the day, not only when you arrive at the gym. Then drink a glass of water about 30 to 60 minutes before training. During exercise, sip water as needed, especially if you sweat a lot or train in heat. If your workout is long, intense, or you are sweating heavily, you may also need electrolytes, especially sodium. But for most normal workouts, water and a balanced diet are enough. Hydration will not do the reps for you, but it can help you show up with better energy, better focus, and better performance. The fourth benefit is digestion. When you are trying to lose fat, digestion matters because bloating can make you feel like nothing is working. You may be losing fat, but if you are constipated, dehydrated, or eating more fiber without enough water, your stomach can feel heavy and swollen. Water helps your body move waste, supports normal kidney function, and helps your digestive system work smoothly. This is especially important if you increase protein and fiber, which many people do when they start a fat loss diet. But here is something important. Do not confuse losing water weight with losing fat. In the first week of a diet, many people lose weight quickly because they lose stored carbohydrate and water. That can be motivating, but real fat loss takes consistency. Water helps the process, but the scale can move for many reasons. That is why you should track more than weight. Track your waist measurement, progress photos, strength in the gym, energy, and how your clothes fit. Now let us talk about the claim everybody loves. Drink cold water and boost your metabolism. Technically, your body does use some energy to warm cold water to body temperature, but the effect is small. It is not enough to replace a good diet or training plan. If someone tells you cold water alone will burn belly fat, they are selling fantasy. The more realistic truth is this: proper hydration helps your body function normally. Some research suggests hydration may be connected to appetite, metabolism, and fat breakdown, but much of the mechanism is still being studied. The strongest practical evidence is that water helps you eat fewer calories when it replaces sugary drinks, may help you feel fuller before meals, and supports performance during exercise. That is real knowledge. Now let me give you the exact routine. Start your morning with 1 glass of water. You do not need to chug a gallon. Just rehydrate after sleeping. Before your main meals, drink 1 to 2 cups of water 20 to 30 minutes before eating. This can help you slow down and control portion. Replace at least 1 sugary drink per day with water. If you drink soda, juice, sweet coffee, or alcohol often, this one habit can change your results. Before workouts, drink water early enough that you are not training dehydrated. During workouts, sip as needed. Use your urine color as a simple guide. Pale yellow usually means you are in a good range. Completely clear all day may mean you are overdoing it. Dark yellow often means you need more fluids. And very important, do not force extreme water intake. Drinking too much water too fast can be dangerous. If you have kidney disease, heart disease, take certain medications, or your doctor has told you to limit fluids, follow medical advice. For most healthy people, the goal is simple: drink consistently, replace high-calorie drinks, and use water as a tool to control appetite and improve performance. Here's your challenge for the next 7 days. For 7 days, drink water before your main meals. Replace 1 calorie drink with water and track how you feel. Track your hunger, energy, cravings, workouts, and waist measurement. Do not change everything at once. Just master this one habit. If after 7 days you feel better, eat more control, and have more energy, keep going. That is how fat loss works. You do not need a perfect plan. You need repeatable habits. And if this video gave you real value, subscribe to the channel, because I am going to keep giving you fitness advice that is honest, simple, and based on what actually works. Comment below, water challenge if you are starting today, and in the next video, I will show you the foods that keep you full while losing fat. Remember, water does not magically burn fat, but used the right way, it can help you eat better, train better, and stay consistent. And consistency is what changes your body. This is Uncle Fit. Be proud of yourself.